to another day of working on the coordinate plane. The coordinate plane. So I guess we could review those essential attributes of the coordinate plane. So let me just draw a little coordinate plane right here. See how easy that was? It looks like a right angle. Mine's a little sloppy, but I can't draw straight lines. So that's our coordinate plane. It's made up of an x-axis. And this is one of our essential attributes, one of the descriptions that we can give to help people understand the details, the attributes. And then we have the y-axis right here. So the x-axis is a horizontal axis, right? And of course, we know that it goes on past this point right here, but we don't really mess around with quadrant 2, quadrant 3, or quadrant 4 as of yet. Right now, we're just messing around over here in quadrant 1. Remember, quadrant is one section out of 4 is a quadrant, so quadrants, 4 quadrants in a whole. It's kind of like fractions. All right, and then finally, our most important detail is right there, where the y-axis and the x-axis intersect perpendicularly. That is called the origin, right? And remember, the ordered pair for the origin is 0, 0, because you are starting right there at 0, 0. All right, and then also remember that origin, if you just add AL to it, it's original. So it's the original spot that we're going to start from. All right, so onward. So the following points are 3 vertices of a square. All right, so what that kind of means is that they are 3 of the places where lines meet in a square. All right, so like a vertex is where 2 lines meet. So what we're going to do is we're going to place each one of these plot points, right, in the proper coordinates. So let's review that our first coordinate is x, our second coordinate is y. All right, also known as, remember, your input and output. So your input is your x, your output is your y. All right, so beyond that, we run on the in, we run on our x, and then we jump on the output, we jump on the y-axis. All right, so for the first point, we would run 3 and we would jump 6. And that's our first point. Second point, we would jump 3. We would run 3. Oh my goodness. You can't jump before you run. That's crazy. All right, so you would run 3 and jump 2. So we're going to run 1, 2, 3 spots and jump to the 2. All right. The third plot point is 7, 2. So we're going to run to the 7 on the x-axis, and then we're going to jump up to 2. All right, so now you decide which point, what are the coordinates of the missing point on our square that would complete the square. So one vertex is right here, so we need to have the other vertex. Oops, I kind of gave it away. But all right, so find the point and we'll come back. All right, so you know that the x is 7 because the x is 7 over here. And also you kind of know, because the y is 6 on the top left, the top right is also going to be 6. So we ran 7 and we jumped 6. And there we go. We have the other place, the other vertex. All right, so each one of these places where 2 lines meet, those are vertices, which is the plural of vertex. So there is the 4th vertex that we found right there. So it's at 0.76. Have a couple more of these, and we'll take a look at those. So the next one, oh, there, they showed us the same thing we did. Once again, we're fast. All right, so this is the next one. So go ahead and pause it, place those points, and then decide where would the 4th point go to complete the square here and make the 4th vertex.